This video was published by mbkpinternational.com. In this video we're going to talk about replacing this display screen on the EC19 PRO version 2. First thing you want to do is unplug your cover from power. You want to remove your two side screws here, and there's two more screws on the other side. Once those are removed, you can just take this crown and lift it straight up. And as you lift up, I'm going to put it right here for now, but as you lift up, there's a data wire coming from this that plugs in right there. You can do like this and then plug it, just like so. If you forget and you just lift straight off, it pretty much just unplugs itself, you know, it's no big deal. So, and then you're going to take your crown and you're going to lay it on a flat surface somewhere. And you're going to be replacing this, so we're going to be unplugging this. Like so, and we're going to, there's four, see, nuts here. One under there is hard to see, but there's four of them. And it's 7mm. Go ahead and take that off now. Okay, I got the four screws removed, or four nuts, and you just take this straight out like so. And here it is here, and basically you'll get one just like this that you can just replace. So let's just assume this is the new one. After you take the old one off, and just put it right back in like so. Just line up the screw heads again, and you're gonna put all four of these nuts back on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got this almost installed. One more to tighten there. You just want to snug tighten these. You don't want to over tighten them. They don't need a lot. You can get your wire plugged in. Make sure you get all, I guess it's 6 prongs plugged in correctly, just like so. And we'll go ahead and put this on the machine now. Okay, we're going to place this on, and we're going to go kind of all the way down on the right side, and I'm just going to try to catch the edge of this inside here to hold it up just behind this plate, and that way I can plug this data wire in. Fish for the data wire hanging down, the short one from here to here, and just plug it into there, into that board. And again, that's your other data wire that carries on and goes down to your main board. Once that's plugged in good, you can just take this and put it on. You're going to come over here and put your 2 screws back in, line up the holes, put 2 screws back on that side, and 2 screws back in on this side. Once they're in, that's pretty much it. Again, this video was published by mbkpinternational.com.